Hi, I'm Santos Garcia. I'm a graduate of the TGB program, class of December 2024, and here is my first new build. So I expect this property to hit the market here in the next couple of days. And then once I sell it, my projected profit should be in the about 70K range. I never had any new construction experience prior to joining the program, but I was a pretty experienced, or am a pretty experienced fix and flipper. So I'm pretty familiar for the process from an investment standpoint. So I saw this as another avenue to invest in real estate. The whole process from dirt to done, it's been pretty smooth, and I can attest that a lot to what I learned in the program. But dealing with the city was a bit of an obstacle, not used to. So kind of learning how the city works and getting the right information, how they need it, when they need it. So that's been the biggest obstacle to overcome. It was really good to be in a class with others who were learning and on the same journey as I was. I didn't feel, left behind or anything. It was a bit intimidating when you first go into it. And the class basically hits the ground running. What I really valued in the program that Royce and Anthony are actually doing the same thing, right? They're builders themselves. So they know what's going on in the trenches. And so whenever you ever come across problems or have questions, you can almost be guaranteed that they've experienced all this and help you navigate any issues. More than anything, what I got from them was really learning the business of building, and more specifically as a spec builder, which is what my goal is. So the sticks and bricks, that was kind of straightforward, and learned that from all the class. But being able to speak with those guys one-on-one on a lot of occasions, they helped me understand the business of it, meaning how to get funding, how to best utilize those funds, how to best position yourself to sell a property for profit, things like that. I'm Santos Garcia, and I'm the owner of Fort Home Builders. My company specializes in spec homes. However, I also help other investors who want to get in the spec building business. And I would say my company kind of stands out in that I am very hands-on in the process. So unlike a lot of maybe big box builders who are kind of standoffish and kind of use cookie cutter approach, I wouldn't say I'm full custom, but I'm pretty close. So if you want special things added to the house, and I will help advise on if those things make sense from an investment standpoint and can help your property stand out more, and if you're gonna get the necessary return on value for those particular specs you may want. So that's where I really kind of hone in on what are we doing as a builder that makes the most sense from an investment standpoint.